Grabe, oh, ang weather for today. Sobrang fog. Wala kang makita masyado sa labas. Grabe ang fog, oh. Kita niyo yan? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ito yung backyard nila. At nandun yung bintana ng kwarto na tinatuluyan ng Casper! Casper! Hello! Wait, stay. Aray, stay. Casper, Mika. Aray. Look. Wow! The baby has new shoes. Yeah. Just that? Look. Whoa, very nice. Oh.
Ballerina.
Oh. Try outside, Show there. Show to Judas ka, babush ka. Go there.